Barbara Lynch here from Boston. Today I'm making one of the most simplest dishes, creamy semolina, but it's the most beautiful, homey dish with the fall coming. And how lucky are we to have these beautiful, this whole kitchen smells like white Alba truffles. And thank you to Urbani actually for sending truffles and this incredibly aged Parmigiano Reggiano. You can tell it's just incredible with all the crystals in it. To go with this incredible Barolo, it is incredible. And it goes so great with white truffles, black truffles, pasta. Anyway, easiest dish to make. It's about a cup of heavy cream. You could use half and half. You could use milk. Pretty sure you can even use like an almond milk as well. And you basically bring that up to just about a boiling temp, and then let it simmer just a little bit. So as soon as it starts to come up to almost a boil, just whisk in gently. This is about, start with a half a cup of semolina, and as it cooks, it thickens. See it thickening? Don't worry if it got too thick. You can always add a little bit more heavy cream in, milk, butter, actually water as well. It's the best friend. Just want to whisk it. And basically, you just want to like leave it alone or let it just simmer for about 10 to 20 minutes. Or 15 to 20 minutes, but make sure you stir it every once in a while. And if it's on low, it's brilliant. There's no chance of actually burning it. I'm going to add a little bit of about like a tablespoon of butter right at the very end. And some of this grated Parmigiano Reggiano. Basically, some salt and pepper. To taste. Why not add a little more butter? That's my nickname, butter. There you go. So basically, there's your creamy semolina with Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. And I'm gonna add in, because I love these ancient ceci beans. They're called, they're chickpeas, but it takes about a day or two to kind of like cook them. I just leave them overnight. I bring them to a boil, leave it on the stove. But it helps give like just this little bite to creamy semolina and truffles. We are celebrating truffle season. It starts in November. But if you're lucky enough to get a truffle at home, how about this? How incredible is this? A few of this beautiful Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. Cheers.